Paying with Zip Money in store. It's pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can pay with Zip Pay Money in store. So for that you need to follow these instructions. The first thing that you have to do is you have to open up the Zip app and log into your account. The second thing that you have to do is you have to tap on Shop in Store option located at the menu at the bottom of the screen, and afterwards you simply have to select. You will be provided with a 6-digit verification code. Whenever you tap on the shop in store, you will be provided with the 6-digit verification code. You just have to enter your verification code, and after verifying it, your barcode will appear. Entering the code, the barcode will be generated, the barcode that can you can use to give to the cashier that scan this, and he will scan to make payments or charge payments. Once the cashier process your orders, await confirmation for the completed transactions. Once it is done, you just have to wait for the transaction to be completed. So once you get the notification, you will have an idea that how much money was charged. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.